Good morning, everyone. Bom dia, Vasco.
Bom dia.
Good day, everyone. Today we are doing a lot of things. We are going to eat now at a restaurant here by the beach. Not this restaurant. We're going down to another restaurant. Ricardo, what restaurant are we going to?
We have no idea.
It's called Pipeline. To eat some burgers, always burgers. And after that, we are going to play some football and then going to the beach. It's hot as hell today and many people on the beach. We couldn't even find a parking space down here, so we had to park up here. We have to go down this long road and there is the restaurant right there. So that's our plan for today. Hope you guys enjoy. You guys will enjoy it. Not full, but some people on the beach. This would be amazing. Look at this little pond right here. Very warm. We're at the restaurant and we're about to order.
Yeah.
We're always on a restaurant.
Yes.
All the viewers think we're at restaurants all the time.
Yeah. Well, we are. It's not like we eat at home.
Look at the view. We've got food,
Hamburger en carcass.
food and food right here.
And no food.
No food for you, no food for you, and no food for you. All done here. Always eating an ice cream. Aye aye aye. Now we go to the football pitch. The football field, I mean.
A few moments later.
We are here at this football pitch. Vasco and Enrique and everybody else. Nino is also here. Now we're done with playing football. Now we're going home and then to the beach. We are going to the beach. Hope it's not too cold in the water. Now, Vasco, we are at home to pack up our stuff to go to the beach. Don't know how long we'll be at the beach, but
No.
look at that boy. Woo! Time to surf a bit.
A few moments later.
Vamos primeiro comer ou...
Eat again now. I'm not hungry.
No? Yeah, okay. Let's go to the beach.
Not hungry. We're going to the beach. Amazing weather, amazing beach. Amazing
Let's go
people.
to the beach.
Now let's test out the water. The water seems so nice. Woo! Very nice. Look. Oh, it's so nice. It's so warm. Woo! Look how deep I am, and then whoop, whoop, all of a sudden it's not deep at all. You guys should come here. It's amazing. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. Say what you gonna say. Filete! Falem com a câmera.
Fucking cold.
Is it cold?
Yes.
Yes, because this is the Atlantic Sea. It's cold as f. Now I also want to dive into the water, so I have to put the camera over there at our parasol.
Too bad.
At our umbrella. Maybe a bit of surfing. Now we're leaving the beach.
Yes.
To
It's
go
a bit too
home.
hot.
What?
It's a bit too hot.
Yes.
And the sun is burning.
Yeah. Should we say goodbye to the vlog?